How to exit guided access without the password. So if you're stuck on the guided access mode on your iPhone, typically what you would do is go and triple click the lock screen button. You'll then need to enter your password in order to go and turn off this mode. Now, if you've forgotten the password, there is one solution. So what we need to do is go and perform a power cycle on the device. So to do this, you need to tap the volume up button, tap the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold this button down for around about 30 seconds. Eventually the screen will go black, continue to hold the button down, and as soon as you see the Apple logo appear, you can then release the lock screen button. You can then wait for your phone to restart. Once your phone's restarted, just go and open up your settings. You can then scroll down to accessibility. You can then come down to the guided access, and you can just go and disable the guided access from here. As you can see, we can now turn this off without the passcode.